How long will you crush over her? You just see her daily and do nothing. You go to the place she comes to every day and just exist there like an NPC? Pathetic. I can understand. I was there. But one day I said, fuck this. She is mine now. Getting a girl is so damn easy, and I will show you in 3 simple steps, which guarantee she will be in your DM. This is a no-cringe practical guide that will forever change your love life. Son, remember that she is a human too, and you should never play with anyone's feelings. Enough yapping. Let's fucking start with 3 steps to get that girl. Number 1, first look at yourself. I will not waste your time and tell you some obvious things that everyone tells, but you need to hear this carefully. Listen, son, take a moment and imagine yourself to be that beautiful girl. Imagine yourself in her shoes. Now think that with all the options you have as a beautiful girl, would you choose you, your current self? If the answer is yes, then my boy, you are already where you want to be. But if you cannot answer this question properly and are pondering over this question, you, my friend, need to grow some balls. Anyone can wish for anything, but real men have the balls to stand up and achieve it. You ask yourself, am I the man she wants? Am I good enough? Do not tell yourself that true love exists no matter the outer appearance. That is complete dog shit. Stay fucking true to yourself. There are not many things to do. Listen carefully, son. Get in shape. Get a decent body with some fucking muscles, which will increase your confidence and make her want you more. Also, going to the gym every fucking day portrays discipline and consistency, which are attractive attributes for a man. Next, get a clear skin. I am not telling you to purchase skincare products. Just get a clear, non-bullshit skin. And please, do not ask how. You have the internet and you probably know how. Your lazy ass just wants to be ugly and jerk to beautiful girls. Once you start taking care of yourself, you will automatically attract her. But this is not enough if you do not follow the second step, which is number 2, riz by talking. Son, unless you can talk well, you are getting nowhere in life. A silver tongue will get you to places that green bills won't, no matter how good you look. If you are not subtle in talking, you will stay single. Be a smooth talker and talk in a way that pleases everybody's ears. Do not yap. Talk with dominance, with enthusiasm, and let your words have some fucking value. Nowadays, there is a crappy Sigma propaganda where men assume they are cool because they don't talk to women. They aren't. They are scared and are fucking insecure. Once you follow step number 1, go and approach that girl you like and talk to her casually as a friend. Do not ponder over what to say. Just go out there as a person who wants to make contact without any strings attached. Be a smooth fucking talker. If you need help, scratch the balls of YouTube and search for it. Do not mistake this by messaging her online. I am suggesting you become a great talker in real life. Once you start to do this, your balls will grow bigger automatically. More confidence and guts you will have. I know this to be true. I fucking did it too. I know this will be hard, but remember, we all are going to be fucking ashes soon. So who gives a fuck? If you are successful, you get the chick you wanted. If you fail, your confidence still improves and you have a clear answer now. And by the way, subscribe to the channel to fucking change your approach towards life. You won't regret it. Number 3, use your Instagram. I have to tell you these obvious things. You know how powerful social media is and what importance it holds for women nowadays. Set a clean and aesthetic profile picture. Do not keep your account private. Post at least 5 pictures of you alone, doing something interesting like gym, playing music, reading, or traveling. Next, keep highlights in a systematic and attractive order like gym, travel, music, school, and friends. Make a hell of a profile. Keep a short non-cringe bio, and that will get you going. Next, after doing the first 2 steps, give your crush a simple follow request. Once she accepts your follow request, wait for a day or two and text her casually. Get into talking with her. Ask her for some suggestions or help with little matters. If she shows interest, keep hitting. If she is dry, forget her. Do not seem like a boring person by texting boring messages like hi or good morning. Talk smooth. Also, never reply instantly. Take at least 5 or 10 minutes to reply to a hello message. Once you are in a conversation, you may reply instantly. I know you like this video, now do it on YouTube too. Also, subscribe to the channel as it will fuck your problems away. I will post more important matters in a few days, so hit the bell icon. Until next time, fuck off.